Mishpanshiko Ushteshpa Omenewan. Today we're gonna get out of the comfort zone real quick and we're gonna do a little mukbang. We're at the McDonald's drive-thru by the intercom and we're gonna try out the Travis Scott burger, the whole meal. We're gonna try it out, see what's it all about, you know. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff. Excuse me. Ma'am, can I please get the Travis Scott meal?
Okay, what would you like to bring?
It comes with a Sprite, right?
Right, okay. Anything else for you?
That's it.
You said that was it?
Yeah.
Okay, your total is $646. Thank you.
So it's a Travis Scott meal, right?
Yes.
With the Travis Scott Sprite.
Yes.
$6.46, right?
Yes.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Well,
Okay. You guys heard it yourselves. You guys heard it yourselves, and it's about to go down right now, boy. Look, I'm hungry right now. I'm not gonna lie, I shouldn't even have made this video because I'm really hungry right now. But in order to connect with my audience, here and there, I gotta get out of the comfort zone, you know what I mean? But I do have good videos coming out to you guys pretty soon. And I was thinking of making the next video. A lot of people always ask me if can you have pets in prison. I'm not gonna spoil it, but that might be coming pretty soon, within the next, I don't know, next week or so, you know. But we're in the drive-thru. It usually takes a very long time, dog, but today for some reason they're doing everything fast, so I'm kind of glad, you know. We're just gonna do the mukbang. I'm hungry though, so it's kind of crazy that you gotta wait, you know. Anyways, for those of you that are stopping by to hear my prison stories, this is not a prison channel. So I just wanted to put it out there that this is a channel for positivity. This is a channel. Will I be talking about prison? Yes. I will be talking about prison, but in a positive way. I'm not going to be disclosing secrets, none of that. I'm just going to be right here, you know, talking about certain experiences that have nothing to do with secrets or gangs. But I feel like certain things you should know, like things that change people, you know. But aside from that, we're just going to be running that positive program, and that's all we're going to be doing right here. But anyways, let's get back to the story. Let's get back to the mukbang. I should have ordered a coffee, but this is not a coffee reaction. This is not a... I just wanted to get the meal. Exactly how that food gets it, or how they're advertising it. Marketing. However, you know. Trip out on this. Something funny that happened to me the other night, right? I came right here, and they told me, hey, the cook he took his lunch break. You're gonna have to wait like 10 minutes. So I wait 10 minutes and I go back to the drive-thru, right? When I'm in the drive-thru, they tell me, hey, we're only taking cash. We're not taking card. And I hardly carry any cash nowadays, you know? I have my credit card. So I'm like, what do you mean? So I got really mad, right? I start talking, you know, in a negative manner. No profanity, but just, I was being negative, bro. And I leave and I try to go somewhere else, right? Near the area. Guess what happened, bro? Guess what happened? I didn't even have my wallet on me. So even if they were taking the card, I wasn't going to be able to to order regardless, you know, because I didn't have my wallet on me. So, but anyways, I'm 1 car away, and I'm just ready to try this out, see what it's all about. Gotta go back to work tomorrow too. I didn't really work last week, bro. I worked Tuesday, and then due to the fires, there was a red flag alert, so we couldn't work Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and I worked Saturday. Okay, let's get right into it. Oh my God. You know what? I think I skipped it. I didn't pay over there, man. Can I pay right here?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry about that.
$6.46. Thank you. I'll be right back.
Can I get a straw, please? See, that's my bad. I didn't pay on the other window I was distracted over here, talking over here. Oh my God. Praise the Lord. I think she had to go all the way over there. You know what? That's pretty messed up. But we got the burger though. Thank you very much, man. I really appreciate it.
Did you want salt?
Salt?
Or did you say straw?
A straw. Did you put barbecue in there?
Yep, there's one. Did you want more?
No, that's good enough.
Right.
Thank you very much, man. I apologize.
That's okay.
Thank you. Yeah, oh shit, this fool almost crashed into me, bro. It's fucking crazy, homie. Damn. Excuse me. I gotta find a cool little place to park, so I don't want to be driving and eating, because I'm not even gonna enjoy my meal. So let's check it out real quick. Let's check this out one time, bro. So look, on a positive note, right? On a positive note, for those of you that are prison romantics, this and that, what I'm doing right now, $6.46. That's how much it was. What I'm doing right now, just getting out of my comfort zone, leaving the house to go get a burger, a meal. You can't do that in prison, bro. So don't let people try to manipulate you into thinking that's the life to live, you know, because I'm telling you straight up, it's not. Let's try this, right? Oh my God. It's pretty cold. It's pretty cold, bro. So we got the fries. And we got the burger. We got the barbecue. So I'm assuming the barbecue's for the fries, right? Open it. Okay, so it's the moment of truth. Moment of truth. It has a lot of bacon. It's a little dry. See, before I eat, I'm gonna give you a little secret, right? I was in accounting for a couple years, and I didn't have no good food. In prison you have a little bit better food, and you have soda. So I didn't have no soda. I didn't have no good food for a couple years, almost 3 years. So every time I'm about to eat something, I always think about those times. And I'm thankful that I'm so blessed to be able to have a burger, But let's get it. Let's get it, boy. Oh, you got to pump yourself up for this one, Oh my God. Let me tell you that I'm not a fan of McDonald's, but this is tasting good already. Oh my God. It's pretty good. I like it. That was pretty fast. See, one thing about me, right? I like to eat fast because everywhere I've been, you gotta eat quick. So I got used to it. But when you're eating a burger, right? This was delicious, by the way. But when you're eating a good burger and you're already gonna finish it, it's just like the last little bite. I kind of want to hold it, damn, I fell in love with you. But you gotta go. It gotta go, homie. Now it's time for some fries, right? Put them in the little box. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You guys are my people, right? I'm out of shape right now. I'm out of shape and I need help. I need to stay motivated because I haven't been able to work out. Well, I have a job, so that prevents pretty hard work, I am losing weight, but I need to stay motivated. I'm probably gonna start doing burpee videos. I'm first gonna ask a few friends to do some burpees for us, and we'll take it from there, So it is my understanding that the Travis Scott meal, you gotta eat the fries. with barbecue. If I'm wrong about that, I apologize. They're pretty good, but I think I rather use ranch. That's just me, you know, I'm used to it. Is it the best burger I've ever had? Probably not. Is it the best fries? Probably not. Does it do the job? Most definitely. Was it good? It was fantastic. I love it. I'm probably gonna go get another one right now. Just playing. Well, let's get right into it. I like the Sprite. That was like one of the best things in the meal, the Sprite. Second of all, I didn't really like the fries. They were okay. But the burger, boy, the burger, homie, I gotta give it a thumbs up. That's a thumbs up right there, my boy. I like it. With that being said, this concludes this little video. You guys have a good one. If you want me to do more videos like this, excuse me, you gotta let me know. Comment section below. Have a good one. Thank you.